So I don't have a quote from Abraham Lincoln, but I do have just a few words. So it's my privilege to recognize Supervisor Fowler and Ms. Matilda Perdue for their advocacy efforts to change the process for delayed birth certificates. Historically, Native Americans born prior to 1970 faced a difficult process to attain a delayed birth certificate. This painstaking process included travel, prohibitive expensive, difficult documentation gathering, and wait times that went on literally for months and months. Because of Supervisor Fowler and Ms. Perdue's efforts, the Arizona Department of Health Services has enacted a new policy that changed the documentation requirements for the issuance of a delayed birth certificate. Under the new policy, Native Americans born prior to 1970 can now submit official tribal documents as verification of their personage. As individuals, we all have the ability to make meaningful change for the betterment of our communities. But this achievement goes beyond that. Effecting change through policy on a statewide level is a huge undertaking. Because of the efforts of Supervisor Fowler and Mrs. Perdue, an inequity faced by Native Americans has been acknowledged and righted on a statewide level. A central tenet of public health is to advance human well-being through equity and social justice. On behalf of the Health District, I thank Supervisor Fowler and Ms. Perdue for being public health champions. Thank you so much.
Madam Chair, may I say something about that? Well, I too just wanted to offer my congratulations and appreciation to both Matilda and Lena. And I would just say when Lena first brought the Supervisor Fowler first brought the issue to us, to me it just seemed like unconscionable that someone who was born on the Navajo Nation or any American Indian reservation in Arizona would not be able to get a birth certificate, and just how that inhibits people from being able to conduct just daily business. As Lena said, getting a bank account, getting Social Security, getting just everything that we do that requires some type of proof of where you were born and when you were born. And so, you know, it's been a long process, and you've just been very tenacious and persistent with it. And I'm hoping that if there's other states where American Indians face this situation, that they can look to Arizona and the work that you did as a precedent, and that it'll be easier for those states to come into the fold as well and offer birth certificates. So it's a major accomplishment. I just wanted to convey that to both you, Matilda, and to Supervisor Fowler.
Excellent.